I'm Linoshka, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while and I'm really excited to finally be here and share this with you. I also hope, really hope that all of you guys are doing fine as well as your families. I hope you're staying safe. I've always been working and I'm happy to, but something that I've been searching for a while now is a good sturdy strong bag. Like even if I go to work, but before work I just head to the grocery store and I forget my bag that I normally take my groceries in. I can just stuff it into this bag, and a bag that will transition me from work to an event, like from a day to a night, like scene. And I'm so happy that I finally got such a bag because I've been using it for a while now. I've seen how it is and I'm really excited to be sharing about what this company represents as well, because it's really close to my heart. And more importantly, I have a discount code that I'll be sharing with you so that you can avail of that discount. So if this is something that you're interested in, please keep on watching. So I have two products that I have to share with you. One is this really cool bag. I know it's matching with me because it's made from this fabric called Ikat, and it's an Indian fabric, and you must have seen this earlier in my previous video. It's by my friend from Threada, and I finally have something that I can pair this up with, because something that I really enjoy. I just hold on to it and I'm like, when can I wear this? But in all honesty, I chose this print also because it can go with almost every day, because it's like a black and white, so it'll go with really like anything I put together. They have some really amazing bags, and I also have to share with you about this wallet. I'm really loving both of these products. So these bags are from a company called Zouk. And I'm so excited to be sharing this with you, that this is 100% vegan brand. It's PETA certified vegan, so you don't have to worry at all. It's PETA certified and it's vegan leather. So that I'm transitioning vegan, and I always talk about that veganism is not just about food, it's about the animals and about sustainability for the environment. So I'm so happy that an Indian brand, this is completely made in India with love, handcrafted. So I'm really happy that we now have these options, and because of this, people are also aware of the fact that when you say leather, it comes from animal sources, and animals do not need to be tortured for beauty purposes or for carrying your bags to produce leather. You just have vegan leather. So that is why I'm so happy with this. Their website, Zouk, you'll see that they have a lot of bags. So this is called a handbag. I'm stating this because they have a lot of bags. Like they have a women's bag, office bag, like they have a tote bag, they have a sling bag, they have a laptop sleeve, like they have different categories. Even the wallet, they have like a women's wallet, they have a classic wallet, mine is a classic wallet, and they have mini wallets as well. So before I show you what is inside this bag, what it looks like from the inside, I'll tell you the price of this is rupees 2,100, and that is the original price. But when I did check it out on the site, there was a discount. So of course you can also use my discount code that I'll be telling you about. So it's free shipping, GST included, and yeah. Okay, so this, like I said, it's vegan leather and it's made from this Indian fabric Ikat, and it's beautiful. They have like so many fabrics online. So this one is called the Ikat Wave handbag, and I didn't know what to choose honestly, because they have so many different colors and prints, and there was one that I was really interested in buying. Like I said, they have different kinds of bags. So there was one called a backpack, right? Like a big backpack that'll include like a lot of stuff, and they had this beautiful like contemporary painting kind of print on it. and I really wanted to get that one, but I was like, am I gonna use it as much? I know this is something that I will definitely use because I've already started using it to go to work, and before I go to work, like I said, I go to the grocery store. I keep my other, you know, jute bag because plastic's not good for the environment, so I'll fold it and just keep this in. And if I forget, I just stuff it in because you can see the size of this. I'll mention the dimensions here. So you can see the size of this. It's pretty good, you know. It's pretty good to fit in all of your stuff. Like suppose I'm staying at work for lunch, I can just carry my you know, lunch box as well. And if I need a book or something to catch up on, like it's pretty spacious inside. So I'll show you what it looks like on the inside as well. And another thing that I love about this is that I can easily transition from events. And another lovely thing I enjoy, I'm looking forward to, I don't know when we'll be able to travel, but whenever we do, like at the airport, like a cabin bag, like this is perfect because you don't have anything sticking out, like things will fall off, you know. There are no gaps because it comes with this single zipper. And everything will fit inside, and these are the kind of bags that I like to carry at the airport, you know. So this comes with the handle like this, so it's easy to carry, and most of the time I'll just, like, you know, hold it like this. But it also comes with this detachable longer belt that you can, and most of the time I use it, I just, like, it's around my shoulder, just hanging around my waist and hips. But when it does get heavier, like recently I just went and purchased some extra rice for my pup, and it was heavy, so I just held it like this. And this is what it looks like from the bottom. So it's really steady. Like, you know, it's not one of those flimsy bags that you have to struggle to open. Like my mom is always generally like that. She'll carry a bag and she's always like, you know, the bag's moving, but this is pretty sturdy. Let me show you what it looks like from the inside as well. So this adjustable and detachable side strap is very useful, convenient, and very practical, to be honest. So it comes with a single main zipper which has one compartment, and it has quite a bit of space and height, as you must have already seen. The inner lining is completely water resistant, so all your things are safe. There is a side zipper pocket which is quite deep. There are two inbuilt pockets which fits my phone like a glove, to be honest. Perfect fit. And the other place I just keep my keys. So yeah, that's about it. Very fancy, very premium, very functional. Okay, now moving on to my classic wallet. The women's wallet was a little bit different, but I just prefer this one because you know, when it comes to wallets, you want something that has more compartments and, you know, but still looks very stylish. And that's what I love about Zook. It's like very stylish. It holds strong to the roots, Indian roots. It's good for the animals, for the environment, and it's so functional, you know. I mean, it does its job. It does its job well. So brownie points for all of that. So this is called the Geometric Crystal classic wallet, and it comes in this. I chose this color because I thought it really pops, you know. Let my handbag be something that I can, you know, switch with different outfits, but this I wanted like a pop of color. And generally my wallets over time, they can tend to get a bit you know, dirty. I don't know, you just keep them here and there. It's just inevitable, and I just thought like this orange beige color, I thought it'll last for a longer time. So I just put my hands through here every time. It's just very easy to hold it like this as well. So this is made from jute khadi fabric. It looks really pretty, and vegan leather, of course. It has a metallic zip like the other bag, like the handbag. This is also with a water resistant inner lining, and this extra pouch outside is, you know, just to keep in handy, something that you have to just hand over some change. I tried stuffing my big phone into this. I have two phones. It won't fit, but it does say that I think easily it can fit these are all my stuff. So I'll show you what's inside as well. It can easily fit like both my phones and the keys, the car keys. So that is my main thing when I'm going somewhere. I don't want to hand over all my stuff. I can just carry it along here and it still looks pretty. So let me show you what it looks like from the inside. I like the placement of the name of the label. This is the front pouch for the quick access. The main compartment also has a zipper closure, and you can see there are so many things inside, so many compartments, 8 card slots, and there is a bigger main slot over here where you can keep your bills. I just kept like a prayer that I always carry, 2 slip pockets to keep all your money, and a zipper enclosure to keep change or other small things that you might have. There is a window here to keep your iCard, or I just keep my manifestation or affirmation notes right there, and you have another small pocket to keep your other stuff. So yeah, that's about it. There is also the mention of the brand name inside, and very functional, very stylish, perfect. The price of this wallet is 1,799, but I do not, as of now, when I've checked the availability of this wallet, it's not available at the moment, but I'm sure they'll, because I think this runs out pretty quick, maybe because it's so pretty, but I'm sure they'll have it in stock soon. But they have a lot of other options that you can choose from, again, free shipping and GST included, and so you can use my discount code that I'm going to be sharing with you. So it's YT, which stands for YouTube. The whole discount code is YTLINOTCHKA 15, so you get a 15% discount. So be sure to use that. If you miss that, I have also written down my code down in the description below. I've also left links for you of both these products. I'll also leave the link of their website and their YouTube channel, so you can definitely check it out. So if this is something you really enjoyed, and of course if you're going to be using my discount code, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you like this video, please don't forget to leave a big fat thumbs up. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will definitely see you sooner than later, and if you guys happen to use this and you enjoyed using this, do please let me know, because your feedback means the world to me, and I honestly believe in giving good honest reviews, because it's not just important for you, the potential customer, it's also important for the brand or the company. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. In case you are a little bit confused about the name, that is my Instagram handle, LINOTCHK. So if I would love to stay connected with you, that's where I post very regularly, and I get to connect with you so easily through stories and stuff. So let's stay connected, and I'll see you there.